17 from Vikas Drawing and Coloring Book, Class 5th. As you can see, there is a picture of today design. We have to draw some geometrical shape like a circle and triangle and some curved line. You can increase the shapes also if you want to increase, unless you can make that much only, 3 circles and 3 triangle parts. Draw with the help of rounder. Make circle, then draw 3 triangle parts like this way. For coloring we have to use poster color, but as you can see there is instruction is given. We have to use only 4 colors to complete this design. Here I use red color shade and yellow color shades to complete this. Take a pointed brush. Here I use Dome's poster colors. If you painting any part, paint outline part first, then paint all remaining part inside. If you follow this technique, we are able to understand how much part we have to paint with the one color, and we are able to paint properly. Like this. Take a color and paint this part properly. Follow this technique to all remaining parts. Try to color each and every part with this 4 color. Make that sure color will not come in too close and nearby. If you want to repeat that colors, you can repeat it, unless you can make a shade of that colors by mixing a white color. We are able to make a light color from it, but here I am going to use only these 4 color. I am not going to make any shade from this color. One by one, paint all parts with the same technique. coloring almost finished. After coloring, it's look like this. Here no need to do border there. Today we learn page number 17 from Vikas Drawing and Coloring Book, class 5th.